children.
Hello, dear children. Today, I will tell you about something very important called file management. It is a special way of organizing the things we have on our computers. This makes it easier to find what we are looking for. Imagine your desk is full of toys and books. File management is like putting those things in the right places so you always know where everything is. The guinea pig and the little rat met by a big tree in the park. The guinea pig was telling the little rat how she tried to find her favorite picture on the computer, but everything was in one folder, and she could not find it. The little rat, known for his cleverness, suggested that maybe she should name each file after the animal in the picture. The guinea pig thought that was a great idea, but then she remembered she had many pictures with different animals. In the end, I explained to them that it is better to create folders or directories with names that describe what is inside, like park pictures or vacation photos. The little frog and the puppy were playing on the playground, and the little frog was talking about how she organized her computer. The puppy was impressed because he always had trouble finding his favorite games. The little frog explained that she created folders for different types of files, such as games, music, and documents. The puppy decided to do the same so he could quickly find his favorite games. In the end, I explained that this is a great way to keep things organized and easily find what you need. The kitten and the little sparrow were sitting by the pond and talking about how important it is to regularly organize files. I asked them what they would do if they had many pictures from different trips. The kitten said he would create folders with the names of the places he visited, and the little sparrow added that he would include the date of the trip in each folder. Both answers were correct, and I praised them for their great ideas on file organization. Dear children, today we learned how important file management is. This way, we can easily find what we are looking for and keep our computers organized. Remember to create folders with appropriate names and regularly tidy up your files. It really makes life easier. Thank you for being with me, and see you next time.